And you had a cortisone injection
about 5 weeks ago. And so it was the second cortisone injection I had. They injected both the first and second TMT joints. Thinking that because I've obviously got osteophyte formation now, wondering whether the pain was now coming more from the osteoarthritis rather than the instability. So but unfortunately both injections made it worse. And I think it's to do with the volume of fluid that they actually then putting into the joint, which then you get a distension of the joint, which increases the instability. So today I have symptoms at rest from the TMTs, mainly down the first metatarsal towards the met head. And I think that's just because I had quite a heavy day on my feet yesterday.
Okay. So it's uncomfortable now at rest.
Yeah.
And sorry, what positions hurt it otherwise?
Weight bearing and plantar flexion.
Right.
Anything in that position.
Okay. And it's sore through
Yeah.
here. Yeah. Okay. Just to see if we have an effect on it. Does it change it?
It's not referring down the metatarsal as much. It's more localized. Yeah, that one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So you think it's a little bit more comfortable?
Yes.
Right.
But
Okay.
I think it's possibly because it's flared up from having the first sort of take
Yes.
on. So
Yeah.
maybe when that settles down, if we try this again,
Yeah.
then that might be a bit better.
Okay. Does it feel the same as when you're walking?
It's a little more intense when I'm walking, but it's the same symptom.
Okay, great.
So
No, say that again.
So at rest this morning, I had most of my symptom was there, but it was spreading down there as well. So I think I had this symptom, but it was like blended. And now putting these vectors on has split the symptom up a little bit. So this has eased this off, but it's left that bit there.
Okay,
Does
yeah.
that make
Okay,
sense?
yes,
Yeah.
it does. Okay. So, can you just bring on this discomfort now?
Yeah. I need to go back more.
And how tender is this? Like, how sore is it on a visual
It's a
analog?
3 out of 10. It's not too bad.
3 out of 10. So when you're walking, and you said it's more intense,
Yeah, about a 6.
about a 6.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's more like an intense dull ache
Yes.
as opposed to a...
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, great.
It's coming on more the more I keep it there.
What about that way?
Oh no, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're at rest now,
Yeah.
and you go to move it a little bit, didn't you? You went over a little bit?
Yeah.
Feels different?
It feels very different.
Okay, so it feels good.
It feels good, yes.
Okay, and then if you go for a walk,
Mhm.
can you go for a walk?
Yeah, that.
It feels better?
It does. It feels really bad.
Cortisone injection
About 5
weeks
weeks ago. And so it was the second cortisone injection I had. They injected both the first and second TMT joints. Thinking that because I've obviously got osteophyte formation now, wondering whether the pain was now coming more from the osteoarthritis rather than the instability. So but unfortunately both injections made it worse. And I think it's to do with the volume of fluid that they actually then putting into the joint, which then you get a distension of the joint, which increases the instability.